In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an image using Canva in just 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and explore how you can transform your pictures into something truly special. First things first, head over to Canva's website, canva.com, and log in using your credentials. You'll find the login button conveniently located in the upper right corner. If you're new to Canva, you can sign up with Google or Facebook or just your email, making it quick and easy to get started. Once you're logged in, it's time to select the project you want to work on. You have two choices here: either open an existing project you have in mind, or start fresh by creating a new one. Canva's flexible interface allows you the freedom to choose what works best for your needs. Now let's upload the image you want to edit. Canva makes uploading straightforward. You can pull images from your computer, cloud storage services, or take advantage of Canva's extensive library of stock photos if you're looking for something new and inspiring. Once your image is on the canvas, click it to activate Canva's powerful editing tools. You'll see an edit image option appear in the toolbar. This is your gateway to all the amazing creative adjustments you can make. The first adjustment you might want to explore is the Adjust tool. This feature enables you to tweak the brightness, contrast, and saturation of your image, among other color settings. It's a fantastic way to refine the mood and tone of your picture and make sure it's just right. If you're short on time or just looking for quick perfection, Canva offers an auto adjust feature. This nifty tool optimizes your image's color and lighting settings automatically, saving you time while achieving a professional look with ease. For those who enjoy creative embellishments, Canva's selection of filters offers a variety of stylish effects you can apply. From vintage tones to modern aesthetics, these filters can add a unique flair to your image effortlessly. Moving on, you may want to focus on the composition of your image. Canva's crop tool lets you easily adjust your picture to a specific size or shape. Whether for social media, print, or personal use, cropping ensures your image fits perfectly wherever it's displayed. Finally, when you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to save your masterpiece. Canva allows you to download the edited image in multiple formats like JPG, PNG, or PDF. You can also share it directly to your social media platforms, making it an excellent tool for personal and professional use alike. And there you have it. A quick and convenient guide to editing images using Canva, unlocking the potential to enhance your visuals in just minutes. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try different tools and effects to see what works best for you. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.